Approximately another 100 meters, you should arrive at your destination. Then you have George Bush. George Bush would be really annoying. He'd be like, he'd come on and be like, yes, George. Yeah, you need to turn left, no right. I mean left. And then you get Steve Irwin would be like, g'day. On me braces. You need to turn left. Crikey, you've missed your stop. No, but how many of you have heard of an Arab answer machine? Has anyone actually picked up the phone and spoke to an Arab person but not caught them there? And have to speak to the answer machine? It's terrible. I'll do it for you now. This is what it sounds like. It kind of goes, Assalamu alaikum. I'm not here right now, but I'm here right now between you, so I want to be here. This message is for Zabib and to Zabib and by Zabib. Please leave a message after Zabib. No, but I'll tell you what. I heard one of the funniest things I've ever heard in my life recently. It was a Chinese person with a stutter. Speaking in Chinese, it was hilarious. It went kind of something like anyway. And I don't know if it's the same in Bradford as in Manchester, but in Manchester you can always tell who the African people are. You can always tell who the African people are by one thing. They all dress like 50 Cent. Yeah? And when you walk past them and they're speaking in an African, in their own language, boy, now that's hilarious. You walk past them and all you hear is, oh, wait a minute, oh, wait, oh, yeah. And even when they speak in English, it's hilarious because all you hear is, what are you doing? I can't get jiggy with you. No, but one thing that, have you seen those adverts? Those adverts really annoy me about, give just £5 a month. So say something like, this woman's women must walk 15 miles just to collect fresh clean water. I'm like, why do they even move? It's not got a lot of carrots. Yeah, I've been called racist for saying that joke. I'm like, I'm not racist, I've got colour TV. No, what? Got another joke for you. Big Arab guy with a big beard gets on a plane. He gets on a plane, and he sits down, and after he's been searched and everything, he's gone to get searched through search out they go. Go to his source, we need to search your bag. Why? So we just need to search your bag. It's after September 11th, it's important to search your bag. We open his bag, search his bag, they find everything's okay, and they let him on the plane. Big Arab guy. Used to live in England, moved to an Arab country, and came back. Sits on the plane, sees his friend from primary school years ago. Says to him, hi Jack. Call him off the plane, well, you can't